Okay, boys, this is it. I'm gonna show you Rob's boat. I'm gonna show you Rob's boat because he's been working on it. And he just got some painting done on there. And I think it looks really cool. He did this whole splash thing on the back, which I did on the inside of the SXR. And I think it looks really cool. The checkered flag kind of smeared, so I think he's going to redo that. But yeah, I didn't see any of the process of this happening. He's got the steering put in and the seat in there. It looks like he's really getting close to finishing it. Let's see. He's got the hood over here, so fully enclosed in the back section. He's working on the gauge, and you know he'll have the fuel gauge in there too. So this is really going to be cool. And so, yeah, for all of the stuff that's not going totally great, this is definitely going to be at least really cool looking for the video. So, there's this. Here's a shot of that. And here's a shot of me not thinking of anything cool to say or witty for the outro. I know on YouTube, if you want to make good videos, you gotta be like a radio talk show host, and I don't have that talent right now. It's just sometimes you get like real life frustrated with stuff. So I'm not interesting. This is reality. This is how it actually is, like it is in your garage a lot of times, and stuff sucks. So with that being said, get the heck out of our garage. And go watch some more JetSki Brothers videos, will ya?